What are direct questions? Have you ever wondered how coaches get straight to the point with their athletes? One of the key tools they use is direct questions. These are simple inquiries that demand clear and specific answers. In sports coaching, direct questions help guide athletes, clarify decisions, and keep discussions focused. So, what exactly makes a question direct? Unlike open-ended questions that invite broad responses, direct questions leave little room for ambiguity. For instance, instead of asking, "How do you feel about your performance?" a coach might ask, "Did you complete your training plan this week?" The first question allows for a range of feelings, while the second requires a simple yes or no answer. Direct questions serve several purposes in coaching. They can prompt action by asking, "What is your next step?" This encourages athletes to take charge and make decisions. They also hold athletes accountable. For example, asking, "Did you follow the nutrition plan today?" helps athletes stay responsible for their commitments. Another important use of direct questions is to focus discussions. If a conversation starts to drift, a coach might say, "Do you want to work on shooting or passing today?" This brings the focus back to what needs to be accomplished. Coaches can also challenge athletes' values by asking, "Does this choice match your goals?" This helps athletes align their actions with their personal or team objectives. Direct questions are particularly useful when time is short or when a coach needs to quickly gauge an athlete's understanding or commitment. They are a vital part of a coach's communication toolkit, promoting clarity and trust. However, using direct questions requires care. If a question feels accusatory, it can lead to defensiveness. The best direct questions are neutral and focus on the athlete's growth. For instance, instead of asking, "Why didn't you practice?" a more neutral approach would be, "What kept you from practicing?" This invites reflection without sounding critical. For those considering a career in sports coaching, mastering direct questioning is essential. It helps coaches communicate effectively, build accountability, and guide athletes toward improved performance. Knowing when and how to use direct questions, while balancing them with other question types, can significantly enhance a coach's effectiveness during training sessions, competitions, and one-on-one meetings. In essence, direct questions are clear and specific inquiries that sports coaches use to prompt action, ensure accountability, and focus discussions. They play a fundamental role in coaching strategies, especially when quick and clear communication is necessary. For aspiring coaches, developing the skill to ask effective direct questions is a step toward becoming a more impactful leader in the sports world.